Because while we were busy on buying books, gadgets and clothes, Jeff Bezos was secretly building something much bigger. Something that today makes Amazon more profit than all of its shopping combined. And that is Amazon Web Services. So now, let's uncover how Amazon quietly became a cloud empire and why this is the real money machine behind the company. When you think of Amazon, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Probably boxes, delivery vans and shopping, right? But here's the truth. Amazon makes more profit from something you can't even see. It's not books, it's not gadget, it's not even Amazon Prime. It's something called AWS, which is Amazon Web Services. Now you might be asking, what is that? Let me explain in the simplest way possible. Imagine you want to build a website or an app or even a streaming platform like Netflix. You need server, powerful computer that store all the data and keep your app running. In the old days, companies had to buy these servers themselves. They had to set them up, manage them and spend millions of dollars. But Amazon changed everything. They said, why don't we rent our computers to you? So instead of spending millions, you can pay Amazon monthly and use their server. Fast, cheap, reliable. This become AWS. And guess what? Today, millions of companies, from startup to giants like Netflix, Airbnb, Disney or even NASA, run on Amazon's cloud. But why does this matters for you? Because the more companies depend on AWS, the more power Amazon has. If Amazon Web Services shut down tomorrow, huge part of internet would simply stop working. Your bank, your Netflix, even your favorite apps gone. Think about it. If Amazon controls the internet backbone, then Amazon controls the future of business, entertainment, or even governments. And here's the scary twist. E-commerce was only the bet. Cloud was the switch. You clicked buy now for cheap books, and Jeff Bezos used that money to build the infrastructure that now controls the modern internet. But remember, this is still not the biggest trap, because after books, after everything store, after AWS, Jeff Bezos launched something that locks you into Amazon's world forever. Something so addictive that once you join, you can't leave. That something is called Amazon Prime. Imagine this. You open the Amazon and you see a product that you want and notice a little badge. Free 2-day shipping with Prime. And just like that, you click buy now button. But wait, why does this simple badge matter so much? Because Amazon created a psychological trap called Amazon Prime. Here's how it works in simple words. You pay a subscription, maybe 1000 rupees per month or 1500 per year. You get free shipping and other perks. Your brain tricks you. You feel like you must buy from Amazon to get the most value from your subscription. Think about it. Even if another store sells the same product cheaper, you ignore it. Why? Because you have already paid for Prime. It's like your wallet is chained to Amazon. And this is exactly what Jeff Bezos wanted. Amazon Prime is not about to giving you discount. It's about locking you in. Once you are in, leaving feels like losing money. Amazon Prime is also train you to buy more, faster and without thinking. Before you know it, you are not just buying books anymore. You are buying groceries, clothes, electronics, almost everything. And guess what? Even if Amazon slightly raise prices, you don't notice. Why? Because you have already trapped in the subscription. But here's the really scary part. Amazon does not only stop at selling product. It's studied you. Every click, every search, every review you leave, it's feeding a massive AI system that predicts what you will buy next. So what is the real product? It's you, your behavior, your habits and your shopping mind. And this is why Prime is the most powerful weapon in the Amazon. By the mid 2010, tens of millions of people were Prime members worldwide. And Jeff Bezos had done something incredible. He turned a shopping website into a loyalty cult. You think you are shopping for convenience, but in reality, Amazon is shaping your future decisions one click at a time. And once you are in this loop, it's impossible to escape. But wait, it's get even deeper. Because Amazon was not just predicting what you will buy, it's predicting what the whole world will buy. Think about the last time you went shopping on Amazon. Maybe you searched for a phone case, or some headphones or even a simple book, and then suddenly you start seeing ads for exactly what you want on your phone, on other website, even in your email. Spooky, right? That's not magic, that's data. Don't collect every single click, every search, every purchase, and even things you did not buy. Now, why does Jeff Bezos want all this information? Because data is the ultimate power. Every time you click, Amazon learn what you like, when you buy, how much you are willing to spend. Imagine a company that can predict your next purchase before you even know it yourself. That's Amazon. Here's how it works. First, algorithm watch you. Every action is tracked. AI predict your desires. Based on pattern of millions of users, you get personalized recommendation. So it's almost impossible to resist. Before you know it, Amazon own your shopping mind. You think you are making choice, but in reality, Amazon has already guided you to those choices. And here's the scary part. The more Amazon know about you, the harder it becomes to escape. Because in the end, Amazon is not in the business of selling product. It's in the business of owning you. Now you have seen how Amazon started small, grow massive, and slowly build a system that traps millions of people every day. But here's the part most people miss. Amazon's genius is not technology. It's not shipping speed or the Prime subscription. The real genius is its psychology. It's how Amazon understands human behavior better than almost anyone else. Now here are some lessons you must learn from Amazon to build an unshakable brand. Number 1. Start small, think big. Amazon began with the online bookstore, then the entire world. Second, master your data. Information is power. Knowing your audience is like gold. Third, control the experience. Make things so easy that people can't resist. People act emotionally. Design your system around that. If you understand these lessons, you will see the world differently. Not just Amazon, but every business trying to win your attention and loyalty. So the next time someone says, I just love shopping on Amazon, remember this. You are not just buying product. You are feeding a machine that understands you better than you understand yourself. Amazon is not in the business of selling things. It's in the business of owning your shopping mind. And that, my friend, is the secret business model of Amazon. So the next time you click, search, or even browse, ask yourself, am I shopping or is Amazon shopping me? Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If this video hit you, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.